Police have made an arrest in the murder of a woman found in her burning garage. 23 ABC's Chris Ornelas has the very latest in the case and what people who knew the victim are saying.
Bakersfield police arrested Patrick Terrel and booked him on murder charges today. They say he is the man who killed 56-year-old Clara Basta in her South Bakersfield home in September.
It was horrible. We got up in the morning and the street was just filled with police and no idea what had happened.
Patrick is the son of Basta's roommate, Victoria. Basta's family tells 23 ABC Terrel was mad at Basta because he thought Basta had told his mom to stop giving him money to support his drug habit. Police say Terrel hog-tied Basta and wrapped a cord around her neck before lighting the house on fire. People who live in this quiet neighborhood say now that an arrest has been made, they feel a little bit safer and they can begin the process of healing. Cops say Terrel took Basta's car and dumped it at this abandoned house near his home. Police later recovered a bloody knife and a bloody crowbar from the house. Court documents also show Terrel's girlfriend told police Terrel had admitted to killing Basta. Shirley Tomberlin says Terrel's mom told her just last week that it was her son who had murdered her friend and roommate.
I can't imagine what she's going through. She not only lost her best friend, she lost her son now.
The case is now at the district attorney's office, and they will decide on charges by Monday. In Bakersfield, Chris Ornelas, 23 ABC.